Okay, I am Mr. C and Rolly. And we are making a snowstorm.
So what's in here?
We have baby oil, white paint, water, and
Food coloring.
And we're gonna make it.
And what is this? Do you know? Crushed up Alkaseltzer.
Crushed up Alkaseltzer.
And in a moment, what are we gonna do with the Alkaseltzer?
We're gonna pour it in. Yeah,
We're gonna pour it in.
Not the second.
And what do you think is gonna happen when we pour it in there?
I think it's gonna really turn into a snowstorm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty cool. Should we mix it a little bit and see what happens?
Yep.
Right now, nothing's condensing. It's pretty cool.
Water does not
It's
mix
not
with the
condensing.
oil.
It's not combining.
So, yeah, it says the oil always floats to the top because it is less dense than water. Oil and water don't mix because water molecules are more attracted to each other than to oil molecules.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. C and Rolly, can you introduce Nana C to the group?
This is Nana C.
Hi.
All right. So
So
now,
what's a molecule, you guys?
A molecule
molecule.
is, I don't know.
What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
I think it's little drops of water, chemicals.
Is that what you think? What do you think, Cole? What's a molecule?
Spicy, I think.
It's spicy. All right. Nana C, what's a molecule?
So this is what the definition is. A group of atoms bonded together
Oh.
representing the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound that can be taken apart in a chemical reaction. So you were right, small parts, right?
Oh yeah.
Very small parts. Yeah.
Chemicals.
Charlotte, what are you playing with?
But it's a group of atoms, and atoms are really small parts, huh?
We are.
Really,
And what is Charlotte playing with, Caden? Can you tell the viewers at home?
slime.
And did we make slime earlier?
Yes, but it was on a speed video on our GoPro.
Okay.
So
But
how
with
do
this
you
slime,
mix
how did you make it?
We used clear glue,
Okay, so
clear
some of
Elmer's
that.
glue,
what else?
just
A teaspoon
a teaspoon of baking soda,
and a tablespoon of saline.
saline, contact solution. And
And
here's
we added some
mine.
food coloring to make some colors and some glitter to make it shine. Caden, you want to take yours out and show everybody?
Mine is basically done,
Yes, that's the. Yeah, we don't want to.
and molded it in the jar.
Is that yours, Cole? You want to take yours over there and show?
Hello.
What color did you make yours?
I made orange
With what color glitter?
with gold glitter. And you can also see bubbles.
Oh, and we didn't add glitter to our snow stuff. Should we add some glitter to this?
No, probably not.
I think we should.
Well,
You know,
it's-
sometimes snow looks like glitter.
Should we add blue and white glitter to it?
Yeah, blue and white.
All right, Cole, come on over and help us with the blue and white glitter.
Okay, pour all of it in.
I'm gonna try to open this
You
again.
might want to save some for your next experiment. I
Yeah.
don't know.
The next one doesn't need glitter.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Yep.
Cole, can you open this? I think the next one needs the white, so maybe we should wait.
Okay. Maybe we
Turn
should.
it, Cole.
Maybe let's do the blue.
Is it hard to turn?
Here, Cole, you want to hold it and keep it on the jar?
Yep.
All right, hold it on. We're in Rolly vision right now.
Roll it right on.
All right. Oops. All right. Rolly's done with his vision. Now we're back. He's getting the glitter. Let's try the blue glitter.
Blue.
Yeah, that looks
Yeah,
good.
that.
Okay, you unscrewing it?
That boy.
All
We're
right.
gonna use this boy.
Don't pour too much, but just enough, right?
Yep, just.
All right, here goes
enough.
the glitter. Oh, how about a little more?
Good job.
Good
Being
job,
careful.
all
Put
right.
the lid right back on. That
Oh,
was
look at it sinking down.
It's sinking.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
good.
Whoa.
Big flop.
Big flop. Can
Should
we
we
make
mix
some?
it together to see what happens?
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
It's actually starting to turn into
Oh my goodness, look at
It's
that.
like a real snowstorm right
Did
now.
it
It
mix
looks
in?
like a pre-snowstorm. Did it mix in with the water or is it still separated?
Separate.
Look good.
What is that?
Should we make sure Dad's coming
The
upstairs?
Yep, let's go. Let's see if FD is coming up.
Okay, you go check.
There's
Cole, what do you
waters.
think about the glitter?
Pretty good, but I don't think it's really good. That's one way of getting FD up here. Just call him.
You call
What does
him
FD stand for?
Funham Dad.
Oh, gotcha.
Fun.
And this is Lil C. Lil C, what are you up to?
They'll see what you're doing.
She put.
She put an animal into her forest green goo.
And now we're learning about lids and how there's different parts.
And we're gonna make this snowstorm with nothing.
Should we just drop them in?
No.
You want to wait for FD? FM is always rushes everything, right?
Right.
Am I impatient?
Can't do it yet.
Okay, well, while we're waiting for Dad, why don't we tell a joke?
Okay. What do you call a cow with no legs?
I don't know. What do you call it?
Ground beef.
Nice. That's a good
That's
one.
my turn.
All right, Rolly,
Why
Caden,
can-
don't do it. Rolly, what do you call? Or tell us a joke.
Why can I give Elsa a balloon?
Why can't you give Elsa a balloon, Rolly?
Cause she'll let it go.
She'll let it go. Elsa.
Here comes FD.
All right, FD. Caden, explain to Dad what we're about to do.
So we're about to pour these little tiny pellets.
The Alkaseltzer into the baby oil with the paint water at the bottom. Here we go.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
well, that didn't help. Oh, there it goes.
Something's happening.
Whoa.
Drop more tablets in.
Can I do this?
Whoa.
Does it look like a snowstorm?
Oh, it does. Look at it. It's going up and down.
Whoa.
It's making a tornado.
Holy moly, look at that.
Oh my gosh, it really
What's-
is turning into a snowstorm.
What's the last?
Oh my gosh, now it's combining.
Dude, it looks cold in there. I ain't going outside today. Well, we hope it doesn't boil over the top.
That's what I was afraid of.
Oh no! Oh no! We didn't plan for this!
It's an explosion. It's a volcano.
Will the jar explode? Clearly, we have not tested this out before.
So.
Learning. We're learning.
We'll be back. Holy moly, it's still going.
Oh my gosh.
All right,
That was afraid of.
don't make poor choices, right?
Nope.
All right.
No.
Everyone say see you later.
See you later.
Rule number 1 of science experimentation. Be prepared for explosion.
Hey, Caden, tell them to.
Hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.